5 ingredients brownie. Can it be any easier than that? Today, we are going to make a brownie for days when you don't have lots of ingredients in your kitchen and you just want to bake something really quick and easy. And let me assure you, this is one of the most delicious, simple brownies that you'll ever make. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and start your own successful business. To start with the recipe, we will sieve all the dry ingredients, that is all-purpose flour, baking powder and cocoa powder in a bowl. Now, we'll add Nutella and cream to make a smooth batter. So, if you guys have noticed, we haven't used any sugar or fat in this recipe. That is because we are using Nutella. Nutella is made of sugar, hazelnut and palm oil majorly. Therefore, it covers up for sugar and fat requirements in this recipe. I have already prepared the tin. Now, we'll pour the batter. At the end of the video, I'll share a super crazy tip with you, using which you can get the perfect slices of square brownies without making a mess. Here, I want to give a Nutella swirl effect to the brownie. For that, we'll pipe some dollops of Nutella on top of the batter, and using a toothpick or skewer, I'll make some swirls in the batter. So, if you want to get new exclusive recipes, baking tips, tricks and special discounts on any new upcoming baking workshops and courses, we have launched our Free Bake Better WhatsApp group. Click the link below in the description to join the Free Bake Better WhatsApp group and join 1000+ bakers who are already part of our WhatsApp community. Go to bakebetterpro.com/WhatsApp to join the free WhatsApp group. Lastly, we'll garnish it with some chopped hazelnuts. Finally, our batter is ready for the oven. We'll bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes at the lower mode. As we know, we are all obsessed with perfectly shaped square brownies. So here is a tip to get that perfect square, and that is to freeze the brownie nicely before cutting it. Our brownie is ready. Now we'll demold it and cut it. I have freezed mine for 30 minutes, but if you are baking a larger batch, then the freezing time may also increase. And don't forget to dip your knife in warm water. Here you go, our 5 ingredients brownie is ready. I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.